Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm wildly grateful that you're here. I hope that you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That would be awesome. I have my Boxycharm. Which one is it? I do not know. I don't know, but it says reduce waste and reuse me. And at Christmas time, you better believe people's presents were wrapped up in Boxycharm boxes. So let's take a peek-a-loo and see which one. Is this my premium? Is this my base? I don't know, but I'm dying to find out. And it is premium. Yay! We got the premium box. And it's big and it's heavy. It's got that orange foam. And this says, we've got something epic in the works and we can't wait to tell you all about it. Follow us on Instagram at Boxycharm and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. It says, treat your heart out. I hope there's a card that tells me about the stuff in here because doesn't seem to be. There's a lot of palettes in here. I don't know what the value of any of this is going to be. That sucks. Don't be like Ipsy and sucks. I want to know the value. Well, let's start with this. This is Secret Garden 3D Blush and Glow palette from Eloise. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. I can't believe they didn't give me anything to tell me the value. That sucks. But this is gorgeous. Look at these colors. They're a little bright for my taste, but they're beautiful. And look at the embossing. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna put the plastic sheet back on there. Maybe I'll do a video trying on everything that's in the box. I don't do that very often, so maybe I will. Then next up, we have from Kenya Ontiveros Beauty, a Set and Define kit. That was really hard to say. It's got like some faux alligator or crocodile kind of thing. Oh, this is pretty. This is a highlighter and bronzing and contouring palette. That's nice. All right. No idea what it's worth. But this is a $40 box, so we get 6 items in here. And let's see. This is from Kinship. It's the Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. So let me put my glasses on because it's written really small. Papaya enzyme prebiotic gently exfoliates to smooth out lips. Microspheres of 3 molecular weights, deeply hydrate and plump. And superfruit protects and restores the lip barrier. That's cool. That's cool. We like restoring the lip barrier. We love a lip mask. It says lip hooray. Ooh, it's in a really cool tube. I'm not going to open it because I have lots of lip masks right now, but that's very cool. I can always use another one. So far, it's all useful stuff. Then I have from Ren, Clean Skincare Evercalm Redness Relief Serum. And it says clean to skin, clean to planet. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a nice glass jar. It's got a lot of weight to it. And it's pretty full. And I guess you use this before your makeup to take care of any redness on your skin. I have a little bit of redness on this side of my face, but I usually just cover up with concealer, but that's nice to have. Then we have from Ace Beauté Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick. I am a liquid lipstick freak, But I usually like Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. That's my favorite. And this is called Manifest. And it's beautiful packaging. Beautiful. I wonder if this has any lasting powder. I'm trying to get out of the box. It's very beautiful. I'm going to leave it in the box because it's a little hard with my nails. So that's very beautiful neutral color. And such great packaging. And then last but not least, Ciate of London. I'm over Ciate of London. But it's a big palette. It's a 24-piece eyeshadow palette. It says the Royal Edition. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. I bet you the Psychic Rhonda's friend network, it's going to say it's mostly neutrals with mattes and shimmers and a couple pops of color. Please be wrong, but it's probably going to be that. It is. It's mostly neutral with some pops of blue. That green's pretty. And I'm gonna use this box and do a get ready with me. I'm gonna use all the things in the box except for the lip balm. But that's really pretty. So you can look forward to a video of me putting my money where my mouth is. And this is crazy. I don't have descriptions of anything. It just said something great is coming. So we've got this really nice looking palette, neutral with pops of color. We've got a nice looking bronzer highlight palette. We've got a blush palette. We've got some redness correction. We've got a lip mask, and we've got a liquid lipstick, which goes with, they all go together. So you'll see me very soon in a video with all this stuff on my face. That is a promise. So we can, you know, instead of me just going, ew, Ciate, I can tell you whether or not I think it's really any good. Because it's just one of those brands like Wander Beauty. Like everything was Wander Beauty, and Wander Beauty sucks. And Ciate is just is in every box, and it makes me think that it sucks just because it's there. And I don't know. I will try it out and not be such a negative Nelly. And I'll let you know. We'll do a get ready with me. And I'll try that bright ass blush. And I'll use that contour palette. And I'll use those eyeshadows. And let's see what kind of look we make. And the liquid lipstick. I'll use that too. So thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you've had a great time with me. If not, blame Boxycharm because they didn't give me any descriptions about anything or prices. So I don't know if I got my money's worth. But, you know, just getting a bunch of palettes makes me think I did. So with that, I will thank you so much for being here. Have a great day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.